Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good afternoon, Eastern Iowa. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Danny Cassidy. While not quite record warmth, it is going to feel pretty nice out there, and not like early January when it's supposed to be the coldest time of the year, more like maybe March or possibly early April. High temperatures will be in the mid to upper 40s, a couple of low 50s along and south of Highway 30, Normal high is 28, and we're in that coldest stretch of the year point, and we're 20 to close to 25 degrees above that in some spots. We'll see some clouds build in late, and a southwest wind will shift to the northwest. It'll be more westerly during the day. It's going to be the average direction, and then some cold air will be moving in from the north. And it's going to be very cold air, especially with how strong these winds are going to be. We'll see gusts up to 25 miles per hour the rest of this evening, and when we see that wind shift from more the west to the northwest, you see it dips a little bit, and then here those winds really pick up. So early tomorrow morning could see gusts as high as 40 miles per hour through the early morning hours on Saturday, and then during the day Saturday we have sustained winds 10 to 20, gusts up to 30. It is going to be a very cold shift over the next 12 hours or so, and you're going to see it here with our wind chill. So wind chills in many areas are going to only be in the low 40s, and at that point it's not really a wind chill. But notice we'll go from 2 p.m. and then it sharply declines over the next few hours, and then by the time we get to 2 a.m. that's about a 35-degree feels like drop off, and with strong northwest winds again it is going to feel like maybe a little bit more like spring to the heart of winter. So wind chills, we're going to start the evening around the 20s and dip to as low as 10 below. Then during the day tomorrow, not much relief. 10 below to only about 5 above. Saturday night could be as low as 30 below. Sunday during the day will only get up to as high as 10 below. So we're going to probably see a stretch for many areas where it's going to dip below 0 tonight, and we're not going to see it go above 0 until Wednesday. So that's a span of about 5 days. So this is going to be by far the coldest, not only longest stretch, but coldest weather we've seen so far this season. So tonight, low temperatures, again, we went from highs near 50 to lows in the single digits and low teens in many areas. Strengthening cold, meaning it's going to get colder as the night progresses. Strong northwest winds gusting up to 40 miles per hour. Then for tomorrow, high temperatures may hit 20 in some areas, but we stay in the teens. But with that strong northwest wind, many areas stay below 0 for that wind chill. Your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. Sunday, it's even worse, as I mentioned. Could feel as warm as 10 below, and that's at the maximum point. Many areas will stay between 15 to 20 below for that feels like. And Saturday night, Sunday night, Monday night, and then maybe a little bit of Tuesday night is going to be cold, but Saturday night, Sunday night, and Monday night, we could see wind chills as low as 30 below, maybe on Sunday night as low as 35 below. If that happens, we'll get what's called now a cold weather advisory, cold weather warning, same as wind chill warnings and advisories, but it just means that you have to be very careful in this cold weather that could unfortunately cause some problems. As we go into Martin Luther King Day, again, very similar as Sunday. Winds die down a little bit, but still going to be pretty breezy. Again, Saturday and Sunday, very windy during the day. Tuesday, we'll get a hint of warmer weather, but I think still with a strong enough wind, it'll feel like below 0 still. Then Wednesday, finally, we feel a little bit more seasonal. Yes, it will be cold because of the wind, but it's going to feel much better. And then as we end the week, through next weekend, it's going to feel a whole lot better around here. High temperatures will be up into the low to mid 30s.